I think it's an excellent process. It helps you reassess where you are in your TRIRIGA journey and also see how you measure up against other implementations. And it's fun.
Yeah, so our TRIRIGA implementation at Outfront Media started 7 years ago, focused on lease administration and lease accounting. Then we had an opportunity to take advantage of the IBM UX framework and start branching out into operations. Within that space, we started looking at asset inspections to antenna installations to vehicle inspections, and then finally and most recently looking at storm preparation and recovery. So it's a very different and non-traditional approach to a TRIRIGA implementation, and one that we're exceptionally proud of and has really led to some digitization efforts at Outfront Media.
Yeah, we've had some very good success with asset inspections, and it all began because we had implemented, Liliana's team had implemented TRIRIGA for lease management and administration. And so I have hundreds of technicians across tens of thousands of locations across the US, but all of the data with regard to the sites and the detail of our sites was already in the system as a result of the leases. So it made perfect sense. It was a natural fit for us. And so what we've been able to do now is we've been able to have consistency across 65 different markets, across the entirety of the US at various different levels and types of technical expertise. And we've now also have it in a very data-rich archive that we can refer to, we can use for analytics and other business intelligence purposes.
So the reason I applied for the TRIRIGAWorld Award is because I wanted the team to be recognized. I wanted the vision and the ingenuity of the team to be recognized. I also wanted to see how we measure up to other implementations. And also, if you don't participate, you don't win. So I figured we should give it a go.